Hi, and welcome to the quick tutorial for cryptocalculators version 1.1 built in Google Sheets. All of this information can be found in the intro tab of the spreadsheet in much greater detail. Please go to cryptocalculators.io, click on the Calculators tab, and then either on the link or the picture to the right to open. You are going to want to save your own copy of this, completely separate of mine. That way you can edit it and tweak it to your own stats into the future, and once you've done so, go ahead and close mine. We're now going to go to Binance.com, where we are going to get the information to populate our tab. Please like and subscribe, and mark the bell for the notifications, as it will probably be the only way that I will be able to contact you after the fact. I'm going to be putting out tutorials and other things that will be useful going forward. So once we're in, we're going to click on the Binance Home tab. We're going to go to Balances, right-click, and open it in a new tab. So now we're going to have three tabs open. We're going to drag the Crypto Calculators tab over to the side. So we've got it there in that order. Go ahead down to the Binance tab of the spreadsheet. We can see here that Bitcoin in this example is at 11,910. And the present value of the worksheet is at 3163.22. Column A is all alphabetized based on what this particular portfolio owns. And we are going to go back to Binance now, go to the Favorites tab, and we are going to click on the pair button twice. That's going to alphabetize the favorites list. And if we look over, we can see that this information auto-populates, it refreshes itself instantaneously. So right here, I'm going to, with these three in this order, see how quickly I can get this updated with these tabs open. Go ahead and copy the data, refresh, and paste values only into this column. 14 seconds. There we go. Bitcoin's changed, values changed, everything is completely updated. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. I will be building way more tutorials into the future for you. Thank you.